Hello and welcome to Magic Mondays on the Cotswold Tutor Facebook page. My name's James, I'm a teacher, but also I'm a magician, and I'm going to be showing you some of my favourite magic tricks, and also I'm going to be trying to teach you one of my favourite ones as well today. So if you were able to grab a pack of cards, that would be really helpful. Okay, we'll get started just by trying to find from, in fact, let's give those a shuffle. Trying to find from that shuffle back there. Find one card. We'll try and find the Ace of Hearts. Let's have a look for that one. I think it should be about there. Look at that. One Ace of Hearts. Just about ready for Magic Mondays. See you soon. Now we're here for a card trick, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, can you help me out with the first one?
Sure.
Fantastic, thank you. Right, can you just confirm, are they all different?
Yes. Very different.
Good, good. Could you please choose one out of there for me? All right, take the cards, show it to the camera. Got it? Okay, good. And pop that one back in there for me. Right. Now, this is going to sound a little bit strange, but what I'd like you to do is I'd like you, on a count of 3, to blow a kiss towards the pack of cards. Do you think you can manage that?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so we're going to go, and everybody at home, actually, if you could do this as well, if you could count to 3, blow a big kiss towards the pack of cards. Can we go? 3, 2, 1, mwah! Brilliant. That was a good kiss. Now, what happens when you blow a kiss at somebody? Do they
get embarrassed.
They get embarrassed. Thank you. Let's have a little look at these. Let's see. What's happened to these? It's still blue. What's that?
Red.
We've got a red card there. Yeah, now can you tell me, what was your card? What card did you choose?
King of Clubs.
The King of Clubs. That one there. The only one in the back that's turned red. Now, I shouldn't do this. If we leave the King of Clubs there, should we do that again?
Yes.
Yeah? Safi, do you think you could help me with this time?
Yes.
It's all right, you can stay there, that's absolutely fine. What I'd like you to do is just say stop. Okay, as I riffle down the side of the back there.
Stop.
Stop? Happy with that, or do you want me to go a little bit further?
A little further.
A little bit further?
Yeah.
Back there?
Yes.
Your choice?
Yes.
Okay, so we take that one there, I'll show you the camera. Show that one to you there. Okay, and right back into the middle. We're going to do exactly the same. And people at home, I want you to do exactly the same as well. Could we go, on the count of 3, we're going to blow a kiss towards the cards there. We're going to turn one red again, all right?
Yeah.
So we'll go 3, 2, 1, mwah! There we go, right. So we're going to look for one card. It's gone a little bit embarrassed again, it's turned red. Safi, what was your card this time?
9 of Hearts.
The nine of Hearts. So we're looking for a 9 of Hearts that's gone red.
There is a card that's gone red.
There's no, it doesn't look like it's worked. Hang on a second. It doesn't look like it's right. Okay, well maybe not. Maybe if it's not in there, maybe perhaps if everybody at home could really concentrate on this as well. If you two could concentrate on this, we have a red card, so we'll have to make do with this one. Okay. Do we think we can concentrate really hard on this card and turn this one into the 9 of Hearts? The 9 of Hearts. Can we click our fingers? Would that work?
I can't.
3, 2, 1. And that one there is now the 9 of Hearts. Thank you very much. Okay, right. We're going to do a second trick. Yeah, would you two like to swap over? We'll do this. We'll do a second trick. Okay, quick as you can. Right, now, have you ever tried taking anything apart?
Yes.
What have you taken apart?
Lego.
Lego. Do you ever put it back together?
Yes.
Do you? Okay, well we're going to see if we can do that today. We're going to see if we can do that with a pack of cards. All right? So, if I take these again, that's all right, doesn't matter. If I take those again, and just to show that they are all different. Okay. Okay. So we'll go and touch the back of one of those. Yeah, that one there.
Yeah.
Oops. Should we do it with that one?
Yeah.
4 of diamonds. Okay. With the 4 of diamonds, fold it up. Okay. And
Fold it up.
Fold it up again. fold it up again. So we've got 9 pieces. Okay. With those. Now this is the taking apart bit that I was talking about earlier. And I want you to make sure that I am absolutely, definitely taking those apart. Yeah?
Tearing them up.
Tearing those apart. Definitely apart? Yeah. Definitely apart. Are they all definitely
different separate pieces?
Different separate pieces. Right. What we need is, I'm going to give you that one. Okay. And we need somewhere. And in fact, I'll get rid of these in the box first. So, put those in there. Close the lid. Now we need somewhere to put your piece. What could we use? I could use my wallet, couldn't I? Right. So. That's there, right. Here we go. Get rid of the money in there. Could you just double check? Is there anything in there?
Tip it upside down.
Tip it upside down. Nothing in there.
Nothing.
Right. Pop your piece of card in there. Fantastic. Oh, that's a good point. We do need to sign it, don't we? So will you just take it out? Take that for me. Can you sign the card for me? And in the wallet for me. Perfect, just in there, just gone. And I'm going to leave that one just on top there. Shall I take the pen for you? Okay, you can hold it if you want. That's even safer. Now, we put the pieces of the card into the box, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. With those pieces, can you hear them?
Yes.
Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Right. And I'm going to be very, very careful here. There's nothing at all in my hands, there's nothing at all at my sleeves. But I want to show you that there's something in the box. What's in the box there? What's in the box?
A card?
Let's pour that one out onto the table very carefully.
Folded up?
Folded up card. Have a look at that one, will you?
It's missing a piece.
What card is it, sir?
The 4 of diamonds.
It's the 4 of diamonds.
The same one I chose.
Okay, the same one you
Folded
chose.
up.
It's being magically restored. What are we missing in there?
My little corner.
That. Where is it? Come on, take it out.
It's in there.
Take it out. And could you, is that your signed corner still?
Yes.
Could you make sure that one fits absolutely perfectly onto there?
Exactly.
Absolute perfect fit. Fantastic. Very well done. Thank you. Right, you can keep that one as a little souvenir now.
The whole card.
The whole card. There you go. Thank you. Right, now, Arlo, do you think you could come around here for me, please? I mentioned at the start that I would like to, I'd like to show you a little game that we can play. Now, I'm a maths teacher and I'm really passionate about numbers, and sometimes, yeah, that's fine, yeah, one of you there, that's fine. Sometimes I like to, I do this at the end of my lessons, sometimes at the start of my lessons to get my students just into really quickly using numbers and using their tables. Okay, so if you put that one away for me now. So, with a shuffle pack, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you about half each.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to play again. What I want you to do is I want you to hold them as if you're going to deal the cards. Okay, I'll show you the first one, okay? And you're going to turn one upside down, or face up onto the table, and you're going to multiply them.
50!
So, 50. 5 times 10 is 50. That means that you would keep those cards. Okay? Now, we keep going. Now, if you got, let me just show you here, if we got a jack, pack of cards goes ace, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack makes 11. So that would be 10 times 11, which is 110. Does that mean you get to keep those? Okay. Right, Arlo, can you show me? If you've got a queen, that'll make it a 12. And if you get a king, there's a special rule with the kings, because a king will be 13, and we don't normally do a 13 times table, is that I'd like you just to shout king, and then you can keep the cards, okay? So ready?
Yeah.
So look at them yourself. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
60!
Oh, 12 it is. Arlo wins that one. Well done. And the next one. 3, 2, 1, go.
15.
15, well done. Ready, next one. 3, 2, 1, go.
60! 60.
60. We could count that one as 10. We do when we play some card games, don't you? So absolutely. And the next one. Go.
110.
110 or 10 times 12.
120.
120. Fantastic. Let's see. One more and then we'll see who's got the most cards. 3, 2, 1, go.
King! 60.
King, Sappy King. Well done. You've won that one there. Let's have a quick look at the two piles. I think they are just about even, so we'll call that a draw. But that is something that you can do at home, something that is really, really good for very, very quickly just learning your times tables, and there's a little bit of fun as well. All right. Now, I mentioned at the start that I'd like to teach you. So I'm going to teach you a trick now. I'd like to teach you a trick. Okay, and it's one of the ones that I learned really, really many years ago. I think it was one that my grandfather taught me back when I was maybe these two sort of age. And what it involves 4 jacks. Okay, and there's a little bit of a story with these 4 jacks. That the 4 jacks are actually burglars, and they're going to burgle a house, and this is the house that they're going to burgle. Okay, so we take the 4 jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and those 4 jacks are going to then go back and burgle this house. Okay, so turning them upside down, take the first jack and place it somewhere down towards the bottom. Got that one?
Yeah.
Somewhere down towards the bottom of the house, maybe in the basement of the house, to go and steal something there. And the second jack goes onto the ground floor. Okay, looking for something to steal there. The third jack up onto the landing. And the 4th jack, the 4th burglar, he's the lookout. Okay, and he stays up in the attic to look out for the police. Now, what happens to burglars every time?
They get caught.
They get caught. Okay, and what happens when the police arrive with the helicopter and find the jacks? 1, 2, 3, 4, waiting at the top of the building. Okay, just like that. Would you like to learn how to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to use, got a pack of cards for you and a pack of cards for you. And what you're going to need to do is a little bit of setup for you, but I found the 4 jacks earlier and I put them on the top of the pack. So if you could put them out on the table for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Now you're going to need 4 different cards as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it doesn't matter what they are at all. Okay, so you can put your main deck into the middle of the table. That's it, that's your house that's going to be burgled, remember? And what I want you to do is I want you to take the jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want you to put them on top of your other cards. Okay, and square them all up nicely like that. Okay, now we're going to be a bit sneaky here. What we're going to do is we're going to pretend that we've only got 4 cards here. Now you can do it like this, and you can very carefully fan them out. Oh, yeah, nearly showing there, very carefully. Okay, you can do that in front of somebody, which is really good to do. Or you can have those ready. So you can go into a room and you can say, look at this. Okay, I've got 4 jacks for you. Okay, got those?
Yeah.
And with those, you square them up. Okay, nice and tight. And you're going to put them upside down on the top of your deck there. Got that?
Yeah.
Okay, what have we got on top of the deck now? We've got 4 jacks?
4 nonsense
Now we've got
cards.
4 nonsense cards. I like your wording there. So with your first nonsense card, you can use this as any story you like. That can go into the basement. With your second nonsense card, you can put that a little bit further down. As long as you don't put it in the top 4 cards, they can go anywhere you like. Do the third one. Remember, the third one isn't really a jack. Right into the middle there. And the 4th one again, somewhere towards the top. And then again, it's entirely up to you to make your own story. I did it as a story with burglars and being caught by the police, and the police coming and shining their helicopter on them, and them all being right up to the top. And it works really nicely, just with a click of your fingers. 3, 4. Look at all those jacks, look at all those burglars being caught and off to prison. Fantastic. Do you think that's something that you can practice?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so if you take those packs of cards away, you can go away and practice those. Saf, do you want to go and practice that one now?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Let's pop those away. Right. Arlo, last trick today. Okay, now do we think that you can help me with this one? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you to not to choose a card. I don't even want you to touch a card. I want you just to remember a card. Okay, I'm going to fan through or riffle through like that. Okay, and you're just going to remember one card that stays in your memory. Okay. So, can we maybe just want to pop around there just a little bit so that you can really focus on that. Ready? Got that in the camera? We're going to go. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Did you see a card in there?
Yes.
Can you remember that one for me?
Yes.
Okay. Now, with that one, I'm going to shuffle it. And I'm going to try and find your card by throwing them from this hand into this hand. And there's going to be one card left in this hand. Okay? And the one card that's left in this hand is going to be your one. Okay? Are we ready?
Yeah.
We're ready? We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Right, that leaves us with one card in my hand. One card in my hand. Do you think that that is the one card? Do you think that that could be yours?
No.
No? You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Do you not think I'm any good?
No.
Do you think that that's... What was your card?
What's the Queen of Hearts?
The Queen of Hearts. We saw the Queen of Hearts there, did we? So this card should be the Queen of Hearts. Is that the Queen of Hearts?
No.
The King of Hearts. I was really close. Really, really close. Okay, so what happens? It's definitely the Queen of Hearts you saw there, was it?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah? Well, I threw the cards over there. Do you want to have a look over there and just see if you can see that one?
Huh?
Where's the Queen of Hearts, Arlo?
It's on the other side of the window. It's solid glass.
Straight through that pane of glass. All right, we'll have to go around and get that one in. Well, there we go. That was the first Magic Monday on the Cotswold Tutors Facebook page and YouTube channel. Hope you've enjoyed yourself as much as I have. I've been James from By Jiminy Magic, and I look forward to seeing you again on Magic Mondays in the future. Bye-bye.